Welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check who subscribed to your YouTube channel and how to filter your subscriber list based on different criteria. This is a great way to track your audience, engage with your subscribers, and even connect with other creators. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Open YouTube in your web browser. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. This will take you to your YouTube Studio dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your channel. Once you're in YouTube Studio, scroll down the dashboard. Look for the Recent Subscribers section. Click on See All to open a list of people who have subscribed to your channel. By default, YouTube shows subscribers from the last 90 days. However, you can change this to see more subscribers. Now that you have a subscriber list open, you can filter and sort it to get better insights. YouTube only shows subscribers who have their subscriptions set to public. If someone has their subscription set to private, they won't appear in your list, even if they follow you. To explain this, some users prefer privacy and don't want others to see which channels they are subscribed to. Public subscribers are the only ones that appear in your YouTube Studio. Now you know how to check who subscribed to your YouTube channel and how to filter and sort your subscriber list. This is a great way to stay connected with your audience and track your channel's growth. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more YouTube tips, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.